Hello YouTubers and welcome back to my channel, and take a look what I found online. And you know that I love DIY kits. And what product is this one? What it says in the title? Smart walkie-talkie radio DIY electronic kit, wireless intercom calling radio circuit board, soldering practice kit. I found it interesting and I love that tiny OLED screen with the black PCB board and transparent case. Love it. Love it because it's a soldering DIY kit. I love to practice soldering and that's why I ordered it, and of course I got it. Does it come with bubbles? No! This thing should be wrapped in bubbles. But it comes in a zip bag. Okay. Oh, we have beautiful transparent case, and also they included a small screwdriver, some metal battery holders and screws. Right. And by the way, the model of this kit is HU062S. What it says? Smart two-way radio kit. What does it mean? Two-way radio kit. Maybe I needed to order two of these. I don't know. We're gonna find out. Okay. We have the PCB board, a tiny micro USB cable. Here it is. Whoa! Whoa! We have the speaker, the instruction manual, and the rest of the electronic components. I'm so excited building a DIY kit. Let's take a look. Oh, in the instruction manual they mention all the parts that are included in the kit. Also we have the circuit diagram, which is nice, and steps, which is pretty cool. Alright, and let's see the printed circuit board. Some of the integrated chips are already soldered, which is pretty cool, and I only need to solder the OLED screen, some capacitors, resistors, buttons, the microphone, the buttons, yes, the speaker with the wires, and add the battery terminals to the case. And while we are at the PCB, the sponsor of this video is jlcpcb. Need a quick, reliable and affordable PCB for your next project? jlcpcb full stack platform make it easy, designed in EDA. Order instantly and scale the PCBA without switching vendors. Get 1 to 4 layer PCB starting at $2 using A-grade materials. With advanced manufacturing now support up to 6 to 32 layers. Enjoy fast global delivery in 24 hours. Comprehensive AOI and flying probe checks for ultimate reliability. New users receive $123 in coupons. Click the link below to get instant quote and complete your order in minutes. Okay, let's proceed with the project. For now I'm gonna take on side the case and the USB cable. Let's see what we have here, the electronic components that need to be soldered on the PCB board, and let's do that. What it says in the instruction: first I need to solder the crystal oscillator and the USB socket. Okay, here it is, the USB connector and the crystal oscillator. By the way, everything is marked on the PCB board, which electronic component goes where. I'm gonna place the crystal oscillator. Oh, it's going this way. Alright. And the next is the micro USB connector right here. I'm done with oscillator and the micro USB connector, what it says in the instruction manual. The next is soldering the electrolytic capacitors and terminal blocks and also the microphone. Okay, let's place the 100 microfarads electrolytic capacitors, and as I mentioned, everything is very well described in the instruction manual. 100 microfarads. Next electronic parts are the buttons. We have 4 of them. Looking good so far. Next electronic part is the very fragile OLED screen, 128 by 64 pixels OLED screen, and it goes right here, 0.96 inch. Okay, with soldering the OLED screen and the antenna, I'm done with the PCB board, and now I'm gonna proceed with the case. Right. And I love it because it's transparent and you can see the electronics. First thing that I need to do is to add these battery terminals on the battery holder place. I solder the wires with the connector on the battery holder, and this connector will go on the PCB board where it says battery icon, just like this. And here we have the speaker. It goes in the speaker connector right here, and the speaker goes with attaching on this place. Let's do that. And I complete 100% this DIY kit. The last thing is to add AAA batteries, 3 of them. Okay, also we have a screw for the lid. Alright, done. Time for testing. And take a look how turned out this transparent DIY kit FM receiver or walkie-talkie, also with double function, and everything is described right here with instruction for choosing the mode, the volume up and down, and changing the frequency. And also when you press this button you can talk. We have the main power switch right here on the left side. By the way, this thing can be operated also with the micro USB 5 volts input. We have the antenna, the OLED screen. I have 3 AAA rechargeable batteries with a speaker inside. Beautiful. And turning on in 3, 2, 1. Oh, we have a walkie-talkie icon. And I needed to order one more of these, but I didn't know. I'm a little bit disappointed, but never mind. With pressing these 2 buttons, we're gonna change to FM receiver. Yes! The volume up and down buttons are working. Let's see the frequencies. Nothing to receive because I'm in deep underground. I need to go out so we can receive some radio stations. But the walkie-talkie, man, I need to order one more thing so I can try that. But at least we can hear some radio stations. Let's go outside in my yard. Maybe there is a solution. I will try to use my Baofeng UV5R radio. And yes, I found out. We can, the radio, the Baofeng, can talk with this DIY kit. And I found some information on the internet that is working on 409.85 megahertz in both ways. And that means beside that is a walkie-talkie, it's a FM receiver, radio FM receiver. I'm so excited. Take a look. Now I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna press. Did you see that? Hello? One more. Hello? Check. 1, 2, 1, 2. Can you hear me? Please give a like, a big like that this is working perfect. Oh! And now I'm gonna try the opposite way. I'm gonna press on the talk. Woo!
Hello? 1, 2, can you hear me? Hello? I like it this very much. Woo!
Wow. Beautiful. It's working like a charm, and it says that it will work with range of roughly 200 meters. Beautiful. And you can also manually change the frequency. Take a look. Beautiful. All right. Hello, Damian.
Hello, taxi. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
You need to hold the button while you are speaking.
Okay.
One more time, and on end of the message you need to say over.
Hello, my name is Damian. Over.
Give a wave with your hand. That is my boy on the other side of the yard, and it's oh, I like this DIY kit. I strongly recommend you should search it online, and I hope you like it today's video. Alright, that was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!
Bye!
Beautiful.